Ready? So we're going to make an octopus with paper, right? Okay, so first of all, now that you can see here, we're we're going to use a paper and I want you to make a circle first, okay? Let's do a circle. So I'm gonna use this to make a circle and then I'm gonna make a circle very well. So you let me know when you finish and you make your circle. After that, we're going to make a little lines like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you to make a lot of them. Those are going to be the fingers of the octopus, okay? And then we're going to cut it, okay? Remember, you have to be careful with your scissors. So, can you see it here? You got your circle and then you have a lot of fingers. Very well. Okay, so let's review again. First of all, we're going to make a circle. I use this handle and I make the circle first. And after that, I make a few of this. So we're going to use it as a fingers of the octopus. But now you can make a happy face for your octopus. You see? A happy face. Can you draw a happy face for your octopus? Yes? Let's do a happy face. I love happy face. Do you like happy faces? Those are pretty, yeah? Happy faces. Okay, so when you make your circle and then your happy faces, now we're going to start cutting. So remember, you have your paper, you have some glue here, and you have your scissors. Ready? Okay, so now let's cut your circle. I'm gonna cut my circle. La, la, la. Don't worry, I'm gonna wait. So first you make a circle and it's ready, you see? Then you have your happy face and we're going to put it here. In my case, I'm gonna put it here. I love my happy face that it's yellow, but then remember we use this, but I also can do this, see? I can make one lawn and then I cut another one and this is going to be the fingers of the hands of my octopus, okay? So I'm gonna make a lot of long and small hands, okay? You can do it small or long, okay? It's easy. So now that you have many, I'm gonna use another one. Remember, I also have this one, so you can use this one too. It's up to you, whatever you want, okay? Ah, it's okay, don't worry. You can make a small one, a big one, whatever you want, okay? So remember, first you make your circle with a happy face, and then we start doing the hands and fingers. Going to look pretty, yeah? I know you're going to like it. So after that, because I make many lines, I just start cutting here. You see? And then I have my hands and fingers that I'm going to put it here. Miren, las vamos a poner acá abajo, que van a ser como sus bracitos. ¿Cuántos bracitos le ponemos? Sometimes I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna put 8. 8. So, para que se vea más real, so you can make it like this. Y lo enrollan, miren. And it's like the octopus is having like this. And then we're going to put some glue here, okay? Recuerden poner some glue here so you have it all ready, all together. And then you put your face, okay? Wow, it's going to look so pretty. Se va a ver muy bonito cuando se lo enseñen. So you can show it to your parents. But also, we can make some fun here. The octopus have some little mark here, so you can put some marks. Pueden poner pequeños, small circles that you have to put it. You can draw here. Very well. You see? So your octopus now it looks real. How about some glue? Remember? So I'm gonna put some glue here. I got my new glue here. So I'm gonna put it here so I can put one hand, another hand there, another hand, and another hand there. Doesn't have to be in order. Don't worry, you can put whatever you want. How many do you want? It doesn't matter. We're just playing around. So try to enjoy it. I know you like it. It's fun. Yeah, it's fun to do something like this. It's a lot of fun. So great. So you have a glue. Very well. So I'm gonna wait for you so we can continue doing the next exercise. Okay, so you finish? Okay, don't worry, don't worry. I wait for you. Very well. Okay, so after that, remember you, vamos a poner, remember, you have to put your face of your octopus here. Put your face, and after you finish putting your octopus like this, now we start making this. Pay attention to this. We start making like a small circles, like coming here, and then it go up like this, okay? So you start making circles, small circle, like a rolling this, rolling, 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 and then you take it like this. You see? So you can start rolling. Camila, you can also roll here, rolling, rolling, rolling with your fingers, and then you do like this. Very well. Oh, beautiful. You see? You see, Camila, you do it. Okay, great. So now you can write here octopus and you put your name on it, and we finished doing our octopus. Do you like it? Do you like the octopus? It's beautiful. Look at mine. Look at my octopus. You see, it's funny. It's a funny octopus. Very well. Jewel, do you make yours? You did yours? Woohoo! Very well. So here you got your octopus. It's very easy. You can work this at home.